Stortorget Square, Gamla Stan, Stockholm's colorful heart. Stortorget Square in Stockholm's Gamla Stan, or Old Town, feels like stepping into a fairy tale, with its striking, colorful buildings standing proudly against cobbled streets. This vibrant square is the heart of Gamla Stan, one of Europe's best-preserved medieval quarters, and it's easy to see why visitors are enchanted. The buildings surrounding Stortorget are painted in warm shades of red, yellow, and orange, each with unique details that tell stories from centuries past. It's a place that invites you to wander, explore, and capture every angle of its charm. Stortorget is more than just a beautiful square. It's a gathering place for locals and tourists alike, offering cozy cafes, quaint shops, and plenty of history. Imagine sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe while watching people stroll by, immersed in the beauty of Stockholm's heritage. The square's atmosphere is as rich as its colors, a blend of past and present that invites you to relax and savor the moment. In the winter, Stortorget transforms into a festive wonderland with Stockholm's oldest Christmas market. Stalls filled with traditional Swedish treats and handicrafts line the square, while the aroma of mulled wine fills the crisp air. Visiting during this season, you're greeted by the glow of holiday lights reflecting off the vibrant facades, creating a scene straight out of a winter postcard. Stortorget Square is a colorful gem in Stockholm that leaves you feeling as if you've traveled back in time.